What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Your boy Rocky One checking in. Right here we got a 2012 Honda CR-V. 2012 Honda CR-V. I'm gonna show you guys how to take off this trim panel, this handle, and that mirror. You need a flathead screwdriver, just like that. We're gonna start with down here. Go ahead and take that piece inside there. That piece is harder to screw down there. Down there we got a Phillips. There's a Phillips down there. Move that piece out the way. Down there we got a Phillips. We're gonna hold by this handle. We're gonna take that plastic piece out of there. Go ahead and take that piece out of there, that plastic piece. The reason why, it's two screws inside there. Two Phillips as well. Go ahead and take this piece out. Use the flathead screwdriver and you're gonna put it right in the groove. Just like that, and pry it up. Just like that, pry it up. Unplug it and take it out. Go ahead and take it out. Now, that's one, that's two Phillips. Down here is one of them. That's one, take it out. This piece, take that piece out. Flathead screwdriver, put it in the top, pry it out, just like that. It's coming right out. Unplug it. Unplug the tweeter wire, comes right out. Next, let's take off the trim panel now. Use the flathead screwdriver, you're gonna put it right in the groove, leave it in just like that. You're gonna pry it out some, take it out, snap it off. Now if you want to go up with it now. First, you go out, then you go up. Just like that. Now we're gonna take out this these wires. Okay, guys, these wires we got to mark them because when we go to put them back together, you have to put these wires back in the same place. So let me get my marker to mark this bad boy. Now we got a marker. I'm gonna mark it. I'm gonna mark the bottom one only. Okay, that's marked. Take the top off. That's how you take out the trim panel, guys. Take that piece out, take it out. Now, you don't have to take out the whole complete thing, it's up to you. The reason why I do it, because sometimes when you go to close the door, it get caught between the door and you might damage it. So just go in and take out the whole thing. The reason why I mark it, because this piece goes down here. That's why. Now that's how you take off the trim panel. Now, in order to get that mirror off, guys, see this wire right here? You're gonna take out the clip, unclip it, unplug it, just like that. Now it's 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna move all 4 of those nuts from there. Let me look back here. Okay. Move this rubber from out the way, guys. The rubber. Move it from out the way. There's a screw that is hidden back there. So that's 1, 2, 3 screws. 3 of them. Let's move the one that's hidden first. It's 1. 2. Now we're going to hold it. When you go to take out the last screw, hold the mirror. 3. Now you guys see these two pieces, those 2 side pieces? Go in and squeeze them in. Squeeze it in, and it comes out. See that? Comes right out. Bam. Now we're gonna take out the handle now, guys. In order to get this handle out, take that black piece from there. Okay guys, go ahead and take that black piece from there. Comes right out. Inside the hole right there, you see that screw right there? That is a number 10 socket. Go ahead and take it out. That's a number 10. We're gonna turn it to the left. See, take the screw out. Use the flathead. You're gonna put it right between the groove and pry it out. That's how you take the piece out. Comes right out. Then this piece right here, grab the handle and put it backwards towards you. Just like that. Comes right out, guys. That's how you do that. That's how you do that. Remember guys, these gaskets, do not lose these pieces. They are very important. Don't lose them. Alright guys, that's how you do that. Trim panel off, mirror off, door handle off. Now, you guys, you can close the door, you use this finger or a tool, and there's a hook right there. You're gonna hold the hook, open the door with your hand, just like that. Pull the hook forward and it opens. Okay? That's how you do that, guys. Thanks for the support, and I will see you guys on the next channel, baby.